Good morning class. Today we'll start chapter 4 in science. Chapter name is solids, liquids and gases. In this chapter we will study about 4 topics: arrangements of molecules in matter. Number 2, solid, liquids and gases in water. Change of state, physical and chemical changes. So about 4 content we will study. So first of all, what is matter? We are studying about the state of matter. Matter is made up of tiny molecules, and molecule cannot be seen with naked eye. Molecules in different substance arranged differently. And what is matter? Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Everything, anything which can occupy the space, like you fill any container with water or any other thing, like juice, or you can, like you are having one box and you are keeping your pen, pencil, eraser in that geometry box, so that things are occupying the space in your geometry box. Maybe 10 pen will come in the box, then there is no space. So anything which can occupy the space, that is matter. And matter is made up of small or tiny particles which you cannot see by your naked eye. Molecules that are very tiny, you cannot see with your eyes. So in the matter, the molecules arrangement are very different. Like first of all, we'll study about solid. In solid, molecules are tightly packed. If you can see in the picture, that rectangular shape, in this shape, that small tiny particles, that is picture only, okay, then you can see. So that are very tightly packed, they are very attached, and they are attract each other with strong force of attraction. There is a force in between two molecules, that is called force of attraction. So the molecules are tightly packed and attract each other with strong force of attraction. There is no intramolecular space. When there is little space between two molecules, that is called intramolecular space. So there is no intramolecular space in solid state. Okay. So first thing, they are tightly packed. The molecules are tightly packed in solid. They attract each other with a strong force of attraction. Number 3, there is no intramolecular space in between the molecules. So they cannot move. They are not having space, then they cannot move. So that's why solid have definite shape. Okay. Like you are having pen, so it is having definite shape. It cannot change by theirself until you can force it or bend it, or anything like duster in school, board duster, that is also definite shape until you cannot force it or break it down. When you break it in two parts, then the shape of duster will change. So that's why solid have definite shape and volume. Okay. Now in liquid molecules are not as closely packed as in solid. They are loosely packed, not closely packed. There is the force of attraction between the molecule is less as compared to that of solid. The force of attraction is also very less as compared to solid. And third thing, there is little bit intramolecular space. Between two molecules there are some space. In the glass, if you can see, that is water. Okay. And in water, if we are seeing the molecules, then there is some intramolecular space in between two molecules. So there is intramolecular space between the particles of that they can move freely. That's why the molecules in liquid, they can move freely. Okay, they are loosely packed. Okay, and that's why liquid can flow. Okay, when you pour it on the floor or anywhere you want to pour the liquid, that can flow. They cannot stable like a solid. Okay, liquid have definite volume but no definite shape. That's why they are having definite volume, but they are not having definite shape. If you are keeping liquid in glass, then it will take the shape of glass. In your water bottle, if you are keeping water, that is liquid, in your water bottle, that water will take the shape of bottle. If you are drinking milk, then milk is also taking the shape of same utensil in which you are taking, in glass or in bowl, anywhere, anything, sorry, yes. Okay, so now we will study about the gases. Solid you cleared, liquid cleared, now gases. In gas, molecules are far apart with large intramolecular space between them. If you can see this balloon picture here, gases. Though in the gases, the molecules are having so much space, so much intramolecular space. They can move freely in every direction, up, down, right, left, means sideways. Okay, so in gases, molecules move freely because they are very loosely packed and there is no intramolecular force. Okay, force of attraction is zero there, so they spread themselves between the anywhere. Now some liquids like milk, glycerin, lemon juice also dissolve in water. The liquid that that mix with each other and called miscible liquid. As a liquid which can mix with each other, like lemon juice, we can mix it with the water, so that is miscible liquid. In the water, in the milk, someone adding the water like your milkman, so that is miscible liquid. Okay, but liquid that cannot dissolve in other liquid or that cannot able to mix with other liquid like oil or kerosene, that is immiscible liquid. Okay, that liquids are called immiscible. Same, some gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen can dissolve in water. Aquatic animal in oxygen dissolve in water. Aquatic plants take in carbon dioxide, dissolve in water to make food. In soft drinks, carbon dioxide is dissolved to make them fizzy. Like liquids are mixed with other liquid, same way some gases are dissolved with the gases, or in the water also some gases are dissolved with the water. Some examples we have read here, like in the water, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen can dissolve in water. And aquatic animal, what is aquatic animal? Which are living in water, that are aquatic animals. So in aquatic animals, in water, that animals breathe oxygen dissolved in water, and they are aquatic animals breathe in oxygen dissolved in water, and aquatic plant take in carbon dioxide dissolved in water. And what animals are living in the water, they are taking the same carbon dioxide which are releasing by the aquatic animals. So that exchanges of gas is happening there. Okay.